Welcome back to Cooking by the Book. My name is Katie, and we are getting ready for spooky season today with Better Homes and Gardens Best of Halloween Tricks and Treats. Now, this is just one of our party books that we have that'll give you ideas for costumes and recipes and party favors and more. And today we are going to make the Jack-o'-lantern cheese ball and the Bitty Toes Halloween appetizers. Let's get started. To make the Bitty Toes, we will need one 11-ounce package of refrigerated breadsticks. If you can't find the breadsticks, you can cut the refrigerated pizza crust dough to work. 36 almond slices. This is about 1 tablespoon. 2 tablespoons of butter, melted. A half a teaspoon of dried Italian seasoning, crushed. And 2 tablespoons of finely shredded Parmesan cheese. To make our Bitty Toes, we'll start by preheating our oven to 375 and cutting our dough into 36 equal pieces. Then we're going to shape them and place them onto our baking tray. And what we need to do is just pull one of the short ends so it tapers roughly the way a toe would, or finger. Then we're going to place a sliced almond on the end of each one to make the nail. So we'll stir together our butter and our Italian seasoning. And we're just going to brush that over the top of each of our toes here. Okay, we're going to finish them off with a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. Now we'll bake them for 10 minutes at 375 or until they're golden brown. To assemble our jack-o'-lantern cheese ball, we're first going to lay some kale down on the bottom of our plate. Then we're going to take our favorite homemade or store-bought cheese ball and we're going to roll him in crushed nacho cheese corn chips. Once we have him pretty well covered, we'll set him down here in the middle of our kale and we will give him a face using black olives that we have sliced into triangle-shaped pieces. And we will just press these in. And give him a Halloween grin. Oops. And then we'll finish him off by adding a stem, which is just a short dill pickle. There we are. We hope this helps get you started planning your Halloween parties, and we will see you next time.